In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Google Pay option on Gumroad. This is a quick and easy guide designed to take just a few minutes. Whether you're just getting started on Gumroad or you're looking to add more payment options for your customers, integrating Google Pay can be a convenient enhancement to your shop. Let's dive in and get started. First, you'll need to log into your Gumroad account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Gumroad dashboard. Think of this as your command center, where all your account activities and settings are managed. It may seem a bit overwhelming at first, but don't worry, it's all straightforward. What you'll want to do here is look for the Settings option. It's found at the top of the page, so give it a click. The Settings area is where you can manage both your personal and business account settings, so it's an important space to familiarize yourself with. Once you're in the Settings menu, you'll see various options you can hover over. What you're looking for is the Payments option. This is crucial because this is where you set up and manage how you receive money from your digital store. It's basically the backbone of your shop's transactions. Click on Payments and then find the Bank Account section. This is where you will input your financial details necessary for receiving funds. You might be noticing that if you have a Google Pay account already linked to a credit card, adding your bank account information now becomes a breeze. So go ahead and input the details of your Google-related bank account. Just follow along with the prompts on the screen to ensure that everything is entered accurately. By entering your Google credit card details here, you enable your Gumroad account to accept payments via Google Pay. This feature can be a game changer, as it can make transactions easier and far more attractive for customers who prefer using Google Pay. It's a great way to provide a seamless checkout experience, something that will benefit your business and delight your customers. And there you have it. You've successfully added Google Pay to your Gumroad account. This addition is a fantastic way to broaden your business's reach by offering more flexibility and convenience to your customers. Remember, integrating different payment options is a smart strategy. It not only boosts customer satisfaction, but can also contribute to increased sales. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful for you. If you liked this video, feel free to leave a comment or ask any questions below. And don't forget to subscribe for more quick and informative guides.